The savvy political strategist might say, wait a minute, I'm going to be the crypto president. Many people are interested in Bitcoin and similar technologies. While it might not be my personal favorite, if you like it, I'll support you and be your president. For years, I've been in DC advocating that crypto should be a bipartisan issue, urging my Democratic friends not to provoke the growing crypto community. That was the day the community felt provoked. I tweeted that the Democratic Party seemed to decide they were the party against crypto, likening it to not liking dogs. There are more crypto owners in America than dog owners, and many are single-issue voters. That week, you could see the intensity on crypto Twitter. It almost turned into a purity test. If you don't vote Republican, you're not really a crypto enthusiast. The Democratic Party definitely took notice of this shift in sentiment.
A savvy political strategist might say, wait a minute, I'm going to be the crypto president. Many people are interested in Bitcoin and similar technologies. While it might not be my personal favorite, if you like it, I'll support you and be your president. The rise of cryptocurrency has created a passionate and dedicated community, and politicians are beginning to recognize the potential political power of these voters. For years, I have been in DC advocating that crypto should be a bipartisan issue, urging my Democratic friends not to provoke the growing crypto community. Many people in the crypto space are passionate about their investments and see digital currencies as part of the future economy. Ignoring or alienating this group could be a significant political misstep. However, recently there was a moment when the crypto community felt provoked. I tweeted that the Democratic Party seemed to decide they were the party against crypto, likening it to not liking dogs. There are more crypto owners in America than dog owners, and many are single-issue voters. That week, you could see the intensity on crypto Twitter. People were expressing frustration and anger, feeling that the Democratic Party was not supporting their interests. It almost turned into a purity test. If you don't vote Republican, you're not really a crypto enthusiast. This reaction shows how strongly people in the crypto community feel about political support for their interests and how quickly sentiment can shift. The Democratic Party definitely took notice of this shift in sentiment. They realized that crypto enthusiasts are a significant and growing voting bloc that could impact election outcomes. Moving forward, both parties will need to consider how they approach cryptocurrency and the broader issues surrounding digital finance to appeal to this group. As the crypto market continues to evolve, it will be crucial for politicians to engage with this community and address their concerns to win their support.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell button to get our video notification. And like the video.
In the US, the crypto landscape is being reshaped by an upcoming accounting rule and a market infrastructure bill. The accounting rule would enable major custodians like Bank of New York Mellon and State Street to custody crypto assets, potentially opening the door for Wall Street to dive into digital markets. The market structure bill could lead big banks like Citibank to start recruiting talent from smaller firms, intensifying competition. Regulatory uncertainty has been a major barrier for Wall Street's involvement in crypto, with fears of restrictive actions from the Federal Reserve or SEC. As this uncertainty decreases, expect a rush from major institutions like Goldman Sachs and Morgan Stanley into the crypto space. I hope this regulatory shift happens gradually, giving smaller firms like ours more time to strengthen our position before the big players arrive. Meanwhile, first movers are wealth management clients, and firms like Morgan Stanley need new products like crypto ETFs to be established for a few months before actively promoting them.
The evolving crypto landscape in the US is significantly impacted by two major developments: an upcoming accounting rule and the market infrastructure bill. The accounting rule is poised to be a game changer by allowing major custodians like Bank of New York Mellon and State Street to start custodying crypto assets. This development could pave the way for Wall Street to become more actively involved in digital markets, which has been hindered by regulatory uncertainties. The market structure bill is another critical piece of legislation that could affect the dynamics in the crypto space. Once it passes, big banks like Citibank are likely to begin recruiting from smaller firms, which could intensify the competition for talent and expertise in the digital finance sector. For smaller players, such as us, this presents both a challenge and an opportunity. The main obstacle for Wall Street's full participation in crypto has been the fear of regulatory pushback. There has been considerable concern that the Federal Reserve might impose restrictive measures, or that the SEC could enforce stringent regulations, leading to potential Wells notices for crypto companies. As regulatory clarity improves and these uncertainties diminish, major institutions like Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, and others will likely rush into the crypto market. In some ways, a slower regulatory rollout could be beneficial for smaller firms. It would provide us with more time to bolster our capabilities and prepare for increased competition from larger players. Currently, the early adopters in the space are wealth management clients eager to invest in crypto assets. However, firms like Morgan Stanley need new products, such as crypto ETFs, to be established for a few months before their sales teams can actively market them to clients. This interim period offers smaller companies like ours a crucial window to solidify our position and strategize before the big financial institutions fully enter the scene.
The FTX estate has liquidated its assets, but it has generated remarkable buzz and growth. My prediction is that it will be the next to launch an ETF. The process for this involves expanding the community of investors. An ETF can attract new participants who weren't previously investing in Bitcoin or Ethereum, thereby broadening the reach of the crypto ecosystem. By introducing an ETF, the aim is to build and widen the community, bringing in a larger audience and increasing overall engagement. This strategy focuses on expanding the investor base and integrating more people into the crypto space.
The FTX estate recently liquidated its assets, which has generated significant buzz and impressive growth in the crypto space. Given this momentum, it's likely that FTX will be among the next to launch a cryptocurrency ETF. The ETF could be a pivotal move for expanding the reach of the crypto community. The process behind this involves not just maintaining current engagement, but also significantly widening the investor base. An ETF allows for broader market participation by attracting new players who may not have previously invested in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. This expansion is crucial for growing the crypto ecosystem, as it brings more diverse and mainstream investors into the fold. By introducing an ETF, the goal is to reach a larger audience and integrate more individuals into the crypto space. This approach focuses on increasing participation from a broader range of investors, which in turn strengthens the overall community and enhances market liquidity. As the crypto space evolves, expanding the community through such financial products is essential for its growth. The introduction of an ETF by a major player like FTX would not only capitalize on existing buzz, but also help in bridging the gap between traditional financial markets and the digital asset space, creating new opportunities for both seasoned and novice investors. This strategic move aims to broaden the appeal of cryptocurrencies and integrate them more deeply into mainstream financial systems.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell button to get our video notification. And like the video.